Hello?
Who's this?
Yo, hey.
Yeah.
So you the one who hit my car?
What?
Yo, stop yapping and listen. Got nothing to say, huh?
I don't even know who you are, bro.
Well, you left your phone number on my windshield.
No, I never did that.
Listen, B, you scratched my fender and busted out my taillight.
Yeah, well, good luck with that.
Yes, you did.
Good luck with that.
Who your insurance company, B? Yo, don't lie to me.
Good luck.
Then why'd you leave a damn note?
You got the wrong number.
I can't hear you. Speak up.
I don't know who you are.
Man, what's wrong with you?
Well, you're funny, whoever you are.
I got your note right here in my own hands.